Hello students, welcome you all. This is my 13th lecture of the topic determinant. Before you watching this video, please make sure that you have to watch part 1 to part 12. Students, in previous class we studied examples on singular matrices and non-singular matrices, and also discuss examples on invertible matrices. In today's class, let we begin with some examples with invertible matrices. Let us start. Example number 6. If A is equals to matrix 3 1 minus 1 2, then show that A square minus 5 times A plus 7 times I is nothing but identity matrix. You have to show that is equals to 0, and hence to find A inverse. Yes, students, to find the invertible matrix, what you have to find first? What is the formula to find the A inverse? 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. You know how to find the determinant of A and adjoint of A. Yes, before solving that inversible matrix, we have to solve A square minus 5 times A plus 7 times I is equals to 0. Let's A is equals to matrix 3 1 minus 1 2, and you have to find first this one, A square minus 5A plus 7 times I. Let us find first A square. A square is equals to A into A, will get A square. And what is matrix A? 3 1 minus 1 2 3 1 minus 1 2. Yes, then you know how to find the multiplication of a matrix. First row with first column, then first row with second column. Already you studied in matrices topic. Okay, then multiply this one. First row with first column, 3 into 3 9 plus 1 into minus 1 will get this one. Yes, then first row with second column, we get 3 into 1 3 plus 1 into 2 2, 3 plus 2 will get. Then second row with first column will get minus 1 into 3 minus 3, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 will get. Okay, then second row with second column, minus 1 into 1 minus 1, 2 into 2 4 will get. Then you have to add that number. 9 minus 1 8, 3 plus 2 5, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 will get minus 1 plus 4, bigger number sign you have to take, is plus 3 will get. Okay, therefore you have to solve this one. Consider therefore A square minus 5 times A plus 7 times I. Okay, A square we find already here. Write that matrix 8 5 minus 5 3 minus 5 into A matrix is what? 3 1 minus 1 2 plus 7 as it is, and I is nothing but what? Identity matrix 1 0 0 1. You simplify this first. Okay, first matrix as it is A square, then you multiply 5 into, you study multiplication of a matrix, scalar multiplication. Okay, each and every element you have to multiply that number. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 into minus 1 minus 5, 5 2s are 10. Okay, similarly we can do here 7 into this matrix, 7 into 1 7, then 7 into 0 0, then 7 into 0 0, then 7 into 1 7. Yes, then now to solve this one, how to solve this one? Yes, 8 minus 15, what will get? Otherwise first you have to add by using Bodmer's rule, otherwise you can simplify, will get same answer. 8 minus 15 minus 7. Yes, then 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5 will get 0, minus 5 minus of minus 5 plus 5 means we will get again here 0, then 3 minus of 10 minus 7 will get, and plus this matrix as it is, we will get 0. 7 plus minus 7 plus 7 0, and minus 7 plus 7 0, we will get 0 here. Hence we prove that a square minus 5 times a plus 7 times I is equals to 0 matrix will give. Yes, you are familiar with this. Okay, then you have to find the inverse of a matrix. Yes, then how to find inverse of a matrix? Therefore a square minus 5 times a plus 7 times I is equals to 0. To solve here invertible of a matrix, we are not solving by using determinant of a into adjoint of b. Yes, see here, if you multiply this matrix a square minus 5a minus 7 times I is equals to 0, if you multiply that, post multiply a inverse, what will get? This is a, see here, a square, how to write? A into a minus 5 times a, and you shift plus 7 into right hand side. Now multiply a inverse on everywhere. A into a inverse minus 5 into a inverse is equals to minus 7 times I into inverse. Then you shuffle this, rewrite this equation, a as it is, a into a inverse minus, here also you have to write 5a into a inverse means what? Identity matrix will get, see here, a inverse is nothing but what? 1 divided by a, but here it is what? A into a inverse means what will get? A divided by a means what will get? 1, no, that is nothing but identity matrix. Yes, 5 times I, that implies minus 7 into a inverse itself will get. Then a identity matrix, a into a inverse means what? Identity matrix you can write, otherwise you can write 1. Okay, minus 5 times I is equals to minus 7 into a inverse, but I want to find a inverse here. A inverse is equals to, you shift here minus 1 by 7, because if you shift on right left hand side will get 1 divided by that number will get minus 7, minus 1 by 7 will get, and here a minus 5 times I, okay, will get a inverse is equals to 1 by 7 into 5 of, if you multiply this negative sign into whole this bracket, what will get? Positive term first will get, means 5 times I, minus into minus plus 5 will get, and minus into plus minus a will get. Okay, 1 by 7 into 5 times I minus a will get. Then substitute the value of a and identity matrix. Keep 1 by 7 as it is. 5 into identity matrix, what will get? 5 ones are 1 5, and 5 into 0 0, then 5 into 0 0, 5 into 1 5, minus a matrix is what? 3 1 minus 1 2. Okay, then you have to simplify this subtraction of matrix. Yes, 1 by 7 keep as it is. 5 minus 3 2 will get, 0 minus 1 minus 1 will get, 0 minus of minus 1, minus into minus plus, 0 plus 1 plus 1 will get, then 5 minus 2 will get 3. Yes, therefore a inverse is equals to 1 by 7 into this matrix 2 minus 1 1 3. Yes, you have to understood only here this step. You have to force multiplied by A inverse on both side. We'll get that. Are you understood these examples? And this one will be the homework for you. Show that A is equals to 2 3 1 2, A square minus 4 times A plus identity matrix is equals to 0. Have to solve same procedure what I am discussing this one example. Okay, thank you.